adding Google Sheets to Gemini? I'm going to say kind of. Gemini can't read an actual spreadsheet, but it can read PDFs. So I'm going to download this spreadsheet that has 2 tabs on it. I'm going to use the whole entire workbook, download it to my desktop, and I'm going to use that PDF document to put back into Gemini so it can read everything that's on it, because it reads a PDF way better than it can a spreadsheet. It doesn't like spreadsheets. So I'm going to go ahead and push the plus sign, and I'm going to find that PDF document. Here it is right here, and I put it in there, and then I'm going to ask the question, which middle school and elementary schools require additional support due to the points? So now it's looking through both of those documents, analyzing them, and boom, now it's giving me all the middle schools that are requiring extra help according to the point, and all of the elementary schools that need extra help according to the points. And notice I can export each one of those into a sheet. So it will make Google Sheets, it just has a hard time reading Google Sheets. So you need to turn it into a PDF. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Gemini.